Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 190 different strategies, with 61 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we have been keeping track, it has outperformed 81 of the strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 999 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. So the source video says this reversal indicator will give you a profit of $11,527 from the Tradingview Strategy. And so, interesting claim. Doesn't really tell you what period of time or anything like that, what kind of profits you'd be taking per trade. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and put this to the test and just see what we can get out of the strategy. So what we'll do is just go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. The first indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the Chandelier Exit ZLSMA strategy. It's going to be this one right here, not the actual strategy, but the indicator here. And so you'll add that to the screen, and it will look kind of similar to this right here. What we'll do is just go ahead and jump into the settings, and in the inputs, you're going to change the ATR period to 5, the ATR multiplier to 3. Then go ahead and jump over to the style, and what you're going to do is turn off all these settings right here, except for the buy label, the sell label, and the ZLSMA. And on the color 2, you'll just change that to a more vibrant green color and click OK, and it should look like this here on screen. The next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the ATX trend filter, this one right here. Again, you'll add that to the screen, and again, it'll look kind of similar to this right here. We'll go ahead and jump into the settings on this one as well. And under the style, what you're going to do is just go ahead and turn off these top 4 options right here. And then under the MA band right here, what you'll want to do is change this color, the color 0, to a more vibrant green, and the color red to a more vibrant red. You don't have to, you can keep it on the darker default colors if you want. It's kind of like all the colors to match and kind of be the same. And so anyways, once you do that, you should look like what we have on screen now. So for the trade setup, what we're looking for is the chandelier to give us a buy signal. This is for a long trade. It gives us a buy signal like this right here. Once it gives us a buy signal, we're looking for price action to be above the moving average line here. And then we're going to look down to the ADX trend filter, and we want that to be green. When all those line up, that's going to give us our signal to then enter into a long. We're going to set our long there. We're going to put our stop right below the last swing right here, and we're going to go ahead and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see that price pushes down, gets close to our stop, but it doesn't quite hit it before it makes this nice push to the upside here, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is the chandelier to give us the sell signal like this right here. We're then looking for price action to be below that moving average, and then we're going to look down to the ADX, and we want it to be red. Once those all line up, that's going to be our short signal. We're going to once again put our stop just right above the last swing, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see that we make a nice steady climb downward here, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. I will also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy here. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades, putting it at a 34% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,200 on the losing side. You'd have been risking $400 per losing trade, which means that your drawdown would have been $13,200 for a total loss of $3,000 altogether. And so definitely not going to give you $11,000 worth of profit. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. We did 46 trades during the same period of time. We had 4 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. Now with the winning side, gaining the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $4,680 for a total gain of $19,320. So significantly better profits and performance from our indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly trades. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs. This one crypto coin, and this is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the trades that we would have taken. So last week we had 7 trades altogether. We only had 1 winning trade, 6 losing trades, putting at a 14% win rate. It would have been a drawdown of $4,380 on the crypto coin. We had 1 trade, 1 losing trade, would have been a drawdown of $780. For the week in total, we would have been at a negative $5,160. For our 12-week total, now we would have been at $17,980. So still significant profits. And this is just the reality of trading. You have good weeks, you have bad weeks, and that's just how it goes. And so that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.